Today, me and another Roblox dev are making a game, but in just 1 hour. Can we actually finish it with working features, or will we fail? Let's see.
Anyways, you read the title, we're making a game together in 1 hour. Your people do not like me, so I'm gonna let you explain the parameters.
What do you mean? They love you. Don't y'all love Natalie? Come on, show her some love. Alright, we gotta first of all figure out, is this gonna be a solo experience or is this gonna be a multiplayer experience? First thing we need to figure out.
We could do multiplayer. We can do maybe like an obby or something, or some sort of first person to reach the top is my idea, and they get a point if they reach the top first.
Okay.
Let's get the 2D camera in and test it out right here. Let's drop this in starter character script. And then if you hit play, it should be 2D already.
Okay, you did it.
So right off the bat, let's figure out the objective.
Okay, so the objective's gotta be to finish the course, of course.
So we'll need some sort of round-based system. Round-based system. The round ends when the first person touches a targeted part.
Okay. Do we want multiple levels or just one level?
I think we target like 3 levels.
Okay.
Round base.
Like just like a slight variation of what
I would just increase the jump power a little bit and then play with fun animations. Script service. I'm playing around with some different round based systems. Storage, ungroup in here. Put in GUI. Okay. Alright, let's try this out. Intermission. Okay, this could work.
Howdy, Manub. Obstacles, spikes, Natalie's yapping sessions, lava zombies. Bro, you're getting cooked.
This might work. I think this will work. Let's see if I die. Do I go back to the lobby? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So I think we have the round-based system. I'm gonna play with that text label, make it look prettier. Let's go for a
Obliques Pro. I love Obliques Pro. Oh, for anybody that doesn't get that, for context, the font I use is Obliques Pro and everything. Do Rising Lava, they have to reach a specific platform or else they'll die. I don't know if that would work since it's 2D. If it's 3D, it'd work. I love lava games that are 3D. Natalie knows.
Then we'll need, I'm thinking, what if we just reward everybody who reaches the top so we don't complicate the mechanics? Because I was just thinking about it, and if we try to kill everybody who doesn't reach it on time, we're going to have to introduce that entire mechanic. Instead, the simplest approach I think would be to set up some sort of leaderboard system, and everybody who touches a certain part gets a point on the leaderboard. And then if we have time, we can toss in some sort of shop that they can spend their points.
Ratty.
Okay, cool. So in the meantime, we got the game area, game spawn, lobby spawn. Okay. So do you want to do lobby?
Oh yeah, I can do lobby. We just doing like a little 2D area, right? I'm assuming.
Yeah, just something chill. I kind of want to take inspiration from like 8-bit games, maybe, if that's not pushing it. But obviously, I don't want to control, or like old Roblox or something old fun. Roblox? I don't know.
Yeah, we can do old Roblox. I can look up old Roblox assets.
Oh, we can give the whole game that retro feel, to be honest.
Give it the old classic Roblox feel. Just give it like the old texture. Yeah, here we go. Oh no, that's not like we're talking about like 2012 or like 08, 09.
Like old.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, and then I'll do like a old looking font. How do we like that label at the top?
I like it.
Okay.
That's one Sam used to use.
We could do Rising Lava.
You just not read that?
You cannot use that Lego texture.
That's not Lego. Is that a Lego texture? I thought that was old Roblox.
I'm going to implement a mechanic. I'm going to do a jump part. If you guys see a little red button on the ground, you can jump on it. Give you a little boost up in the sky.
I like that idea, actually.
And then I think we need some sort of kill part. Make it a little harder. Let's make this big. Cool. That one's done. Kill part. This one I'm going to skin to look like lava. That'll be an obstacle. For correction effect, it's too much. Let's do 0.5. Is that too much? Oh, that's good.
No, that's good. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Got flashbang.
And then I made it to where if you touch this part, you get a win. So we'll put this part at the end of every level. Oh, I need to add a debounce to this part because you can spam it for wins.
Wow, you pulling a Sam.
Anyway.
Next thing you know, you're gonna do a trading glitch.
For pitching a part. At least I got a leaderboard. Do you even know how to make a leaderboard?
I mean, no. I mean, I didn't get that far into the tutorials. I decided to be a builder at that point. So I was like, that's too much. Half an hour remains.
I mean, I think we got the mechanics pretty much set up. It's just aesthetics at this point. And then, of course, animations and then switching it over to R6. And then we could add some music and stuff. Music is easy. Okay, I added a debounce to the wins thing, so you can only get 1 win per round. I want to add like alternative routes, you know? So like if they jump up, they can take this top path. But if they want to go riskier, they can take a bottom path. I don't know how you feel about that.
I'm down. Time's up.
Okay, I'm not even sure if this is playable, but let's do it. This makes me nervous. Okay, everybody, this was 2 Roblox game developers make a game in 1 hour. We made a 2D platformer. When you get to the end, you get a point. We did not add anything that the points can be used on, but you know what? We did our best, didn't we, Kevin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you can put out the link now.
1 sec, I'm in the middle of a game. Trying to see if I can get across. Oh! 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 I got it! If you like this video, you'll like the 2 game devs make the same game in 1 hour video that I made about a week ago. It's also with the exact same developer and everything too. You should see it on the left side of your screen right now. Alright, that should be it, and peace.